Everybody, had to push this message out really quick, and that is I got an email from Composite Nation, and the software plugin for Photoshop that I use occasionally for my work called Oniric is on sale only for the next 5 days with a special code. So the code on this is going to be Oniric Warrior. It's right here on the screen, all in caps. You use that on the checkout. This is not an affiliate link. I do not make any commission at all on this. They just emailed me and said, if you want to share this out with anybody, it's only good for the next 5 days, really 7, but I just got the email yesterday. I have to publish this out on YouTube. So you got 5 days to check it out if you picked up this video on Wednesday of this week. And when you go to the website right here, again, compositenation.com, go to software right here. And when you click on that, you will see Oniric. If I click on that, this will actually show you what this software will do. You can actually get the free trial so you can play with it for a day or two before you make a decision to take your discount. Again, you're getting $60 off. So instead of $129, it is $69. And you can see some before and after examples here as I scroll down on the screen. So you can see this right here. It's incredible software. It's not only for composite, but you can do it with portraits, still life, whatever your imagination goes with this type of creative software. It is incredible. So take a look at it. If you like it, take advantage of that discount. Again, I don't know what the discount is if you're from another country with the currency exchange, but again, this is quite a big savings. I wish I would have got that because I paid regular price on this, about a year ago or so. Anyhow, best of luck. Try it out. See if you like it. Till next time, see ya.